uMamchunu usashaya phansi ngonyawo uthi ngeke aze amxolele uMshengu ngokubulala ke indodana yakhe. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on My Brother's Keeper from the 6th to the 10th of May 2024 on Monday. Mamchunu and Fakazile are united in their cause to rectify past mistakes. Mshengu rests his last hope on his grandsons and offers them valuable advice on choosing a suitable wife on Tuesday. Mshengu fights for Mamchunu and Fakazile to see reason, but they are clouded by their hatred toward him. The brothers are at odds with where they stand when it comes to Fakazile's decision on Wednesday. Ngubeko find himself against the ropes. He failed to find the solace in Nomusa. Buseleto's ultimatum to Ndumiso backfires on Thursday. Ndumiso, Ngubeko and Donga meet Kwesi's doctor to find out the truth. Toba is worried that Mshengu may kick him out of the house on Friday. Ngubeko wakes up thinking everything is back to normal between him and Fakazile. Toba is tired of cooking for Mshengu and the extended Shabalala family arrives, of which is Umtabela guys loge ugatlidlala which generation as Mr. Cele. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.